If you just got your trailer, congratulations. Welcome to the Wolf Pack. We're so excited for you to join us. Your trailer just showed up. You've got a bunch of questions on what to do and how to do them, and don't worry. In the playlist below, in this YouTube or Instagram channel, you'll be able to find everything from changing your tire, to tow charging your trailer, to solar charging, how to open and close your swing out, how to service your kitchen and your water tanks, everything that you need to live your best outdoors, because at L.O.B.O, we are all living our best outdoors. Now, if your L.O.B.O adventure trailer was outfitted with a 270 awning, it would most likely come with a tensioning kit. Now today we are working with the Taruka Rogue awning. You would open up your Taruka gear bag or your gear bag. It has the tensioning straps, it has your ground anchors, and it has a couple of extra straps there for holding your awning to the ground anchors if you're going to be using walls. First step, you would normally want to do this with all the doors of your trailer closed. Opening up your awning, it can be very simple, but you can also make it overly complicated if your tent and your kitchen are already deployed. So unzip that awning first. You're then going to unstrap your 3 Velcros and then walk each of the tent awning out to the end of the trailer. Now, if you notice, on the end of the awning, there are heavy-duty anchors at the end of each of the awnings. This is where you want to put your tensioners attached to. That way you're not going to rip the fabric on your awning, and if you happen to pick up any heavy wind, this is designed specifically for heavier tensioning to your awning. Now, if you think that your awning is tight enough, there is a saying that goes, if it's tight enough, it's not, tighten it more. Now, most awnings don't have this awesome feature, but the Taruka Rogue does. Each of these awnings has a plug on the back that hooks up to a 12-volt cigarette outlet that you can plug into the outside of your trailer. Each of the Taruka awnings have multicolor lights, either white and red or white and yellow, and if you hold down the button, they can be dimmed. An additional feature that we really love about the Taruka Rogue awning are these awning tensioners and water dispersion points. If you lift them up, what they do is they'll take the wind and make sure that it goes over the top of the awning, and also when it rains, it'll disperse the water down to the end of the awning. That way you're not having water pool when it rains. Now, to close your awning is in the reverse. You're just going to take your awning, bring it back over. You're going to flip these flaps over from the left side to the right side. You're going to then take your awning and push it up against the trailer, and then roll it up just like a sleeping bag. Make sure that you keep in mind where the Velcro straps are. That way you aren't pinching these straps behind the awning. And when you're zipping up this outside bag canvas, you're not going to have any snags on that canvas to your awning.